Hello, I'm Manori Vijayakon from NACI, Sri Lanka. I'm a teacher and afternoon trainer at Sita Devi Girls College, Kandy. Although online teaching has been encouraged for many years, the COVID-19 pandemic has promoted it on a large scale. During this period, we too adopted online teaching. Not only children, but also the teachers were new to this platform. So, we all had to face several problems, mainly connectivity issues, and some children didn't have access for any device to engage in studies. Actually, it was a bit of challenge for both parties, but as a result of all the commitments, we were able to accomplish it. During the pandemic, as teachers, we had to be very careful when teaching the students. First, we had to make a stress-free environment for students. Those who had connectivity issues were sent to nearby distant learning centers introduced by the Ministry of Education in Sri Lanka. Adhere to the COVID-19 health guidelines. We had done many competitions and activities in a creative way. Especially, Aflatun Club members had cookery demonstrations, best picture competitions, and there we selected the master chef and the best picture. Aflatoons participated actively. They started home gardening, made bookmarks, greeting cards, and many creative items. They enjoyed every minute and they didn't feel that they were in a lockdown during the pandemic. I think on that stage, students started to think more about online businesses. COVID-19 gave good lessons to all of us. As Aflatoons, we learned about life skills and financial skills. During this period, everybody was thinking practically and students were given more time to think practical things rather than theoretical knowledge that they used earlier before the pandemic. They started small online businesses. For an example, some students sold pillowcases, bookmarks, picture cards, greeting cards, and some food items like jam and chutney. So, this was a good opportunity to enter the business world. I'm so happy to say teachers are the ultimate role models for students. A great teacher always has compassion for their students, understanding of their personal lives, and appreciation for academic goals and achievements. Teachers are the role models for children to be positive always, try harder, and reach for the stars. I really love my students, so I want to learn more and upgrade my students and make them shine like stars to face the 21st century opportunities and challenges. Thank you.